We'll guide you through how to make an ebook with the Gamma app. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want an easy and fast way to create ebooks without needing advanced design or writing skills. To make an ebook with the Gamma app, first open your web browser by clicking the Start button on your computer and selecting Google Chrome or any browser you use. Next, click on the search bar, type 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀 and press Enter on your keyboard to access the website. Once the site loads, find and click the Start for Free button on the screen to begin. After that, choose Continue with Google or enter your email and password, then click Continue to access your account and open the dashboard. When you are inside the dashboard, move your cursor to the Create New button and click it to start a new project. A menu will appear, and you should click Generate to create your ebook using AI tools. In the top menu, select Document to set the correct format for your ebook. Then, click on the text input box and type your topic, such as how to make an ebook with the Gamma app, so the system understands your content. After that, select the number of cards based on how many pages you want your ebook to have. Next, click the default option in card size and choose A4 size to match a standard document format. Then, select your preferred language for the ebook so it fits your audience. Press Enter or click Generate Outline to continue the process. Wait while Gamma automatically creates your ebook structure. Once it appears, click on any text box to edit and customize each section. You can also click plus Add Card to add more content or expand your outline as needed. To improve the design, scroll down until you find Theme, click View More, and choose a layout you like. In the Image Choice section, select one of the available styles to enhance the visual appearance. Then, move your cursor to the bottom right corner and click the Generate button to apply the design changes. Wait for Gamma to update your document automatically. When everything is finished, click the Share button at the top right corner and choose Export. Finally, select Export as PDF to save and use your ebook anytime you need.